Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by opening My Account. Google.com and signing in with your primary Google account. Create a Google Family group from the Family Settings section. Add people by entering their email addresses and sending invitations. You can add up to 6 total family members, including yourself. All members must be 13 years or older to join the group. Make sure each member accepts the invitation using the same Google account they will use for YouTube TV. Verify that every member's Google account lists the same home address within Family Settings for eligibility. Subscribe to YouTube TV using the primary Google account that created the family group. That account acts as the family manager and pays for the membership. Go to TV, YouTube.com, or open the YouTube TV app to start the subscription process. After subscribing, return to Family Settings and confirm your family group includes the people you want to share with. Send invitations from the family group if any members are missing. Each invited member must accept and use the same Google account to access the shared YouTube TV membership. Manage members by visiting Family Settings on My Account, Google.com, and selecting people to remove or add. The Family Manager controls billing, payment methods, and the shared home address for eligibility. Each family member receives their own profile, DVR space, and personalized recommendations within YouTube TV. Profiles allow concurrent streams under the same shared membership, following YouTube TV stream limits. If someone moves households, remove them from the family group, and they will lose shared access. Keep your payment method current to prevent interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.